Excited about the new $1 million portfolio that some of you have asked about. It is the 34 strategies. Our 100K portfolio has 21 strategies, so I've been able to update the portfolio and incorporate 34 of what I consider my best strategies. And you see the results here. These are hypothetical results imported from Tradestation, exported. I exported the data file, $25 round turn slippage and commission. And here you have the back-tested results of 34 strategies, trading 5 contracts of each strategy, and you see the historical results. So I like the numbers. It's in a drawdown, $20,000 drawdown right now, which is only 2%, and the max drawdown is 46,000. Hypothetical historical drawdown, and I like this model. Many of our strategies are in a drawdown this last couple of weeks. It's been choppy pre-holiday August. Feels like a very manipulative tone, which choppy markets feel that way sometimes. And so while this is in a drawdown, our other strategies are also in a drawdown. And you take a look, August, it's only up 13,000. That's not a lot when you're talking about 34 strategies, 5 contracts each. And last August of 2016 was also down. And so what happened in September of 2016 after the August 2016 lull was the top month of the year, $165,000. Again, that's hypothetical. This is new research, and so now we're having another lull. You typically see cycles. You see 11,000, 26,000, then a 67,000 month, then 13,000 month, then a $30,000 month, and so now it's a $13,000 month. There's no guarantee that it will ever be profitable going forward, but this is the hypothetical backtest and the new models, and we're including the 21 current strategies, so we're not removing any strategies in the current $1 million portfolio that are also in the 100K portfolio. We're just adding 13 new strategies, and so I'm going to go over the list of strategies next. This is the monthly average, and so in general, September has the highest average on this portfolio, 86,000. The second highest average is 63,000, and so significantly high September. So if you were going to time a portfolio and you wanted to get in 1 on a drawdown, 2 on a high monthly average, this would be the way to go, given that you're willing to risk a worst case drawdown. And so that is how you measure risk. That is how you take trades and phase into strategies and portfolios. So I'm going to pull in the list of strategies now so you can take a look at each strategy, and you'll be able to see the list. Here it is. Cobra 3 we know about. Cobra CT5B, we're trading the base strategy and the money management algorithm. Tick count trend 2 has done really well since 2016. And these choppy markets, it goes long and short. Cobra Crude, we know about that one. We trade that one. SR Counter Trend Crude. SR Counter Trend Crude Oil 2. It's a new version of SR Counter Trend Crude Oil. It uses a slightly different trend indicator. And so while today SR Counter Trend Crude did not get short today, SR Counter Trend Crude Oil 2 got short. And so Stock Index Swing 3, it's basically Stock Index Swing. We're adding a couple of variations, including max daily entries long, max daily entries short. Gap Fill Mirror is a strategy I've had for a couple of years, and I have not done anything with it. I've just watched it, and I may release this in a new book, but for now it's in the $1 million portfolio. It's not on the website. Some of these new strategies are not on the website yet, such as Stock Index 3 and SR Counter Trend Crude Oil. They're not on the website yet. Haven't had a chance to put them up there. So right now they're a special offering for the $1 million portfolio, and I can send performance reports of those if you would like. Gap Continue to Be, Gap Fill in Reverse. We have those are from this is from 7 Trading Systems. This is from Algorithmic Trading Systems. Cobra Euro, strategy we've had for a while. Gap Fill in Reverse from Algorithmic Trading Systems. Soybeans Day Trade 3 we've had for a while. Hasn't traded much lately. Soybeans has been kind of narrow range. Cobra Bonds, SR Counter Trend Gold, one of our favorites. SR Counter Trend Silver, aggressive. also one of our favorites. Coffee day trader short only, one of our favorites. Coffee swing trader. This is a new strategy, and it takes long trades. Um, and so swing soybeans conservative, swing soybeans mill conservative. And here are some of our emerging strategies: tick pulse, exhaust in reverse, gold flash, heating oil after hours, RBOB after hours, slightly less liquid markets, crude oil weekly inventories, 2, crude oil after hours 3, and then the counter trend maxes, which we released a couple of months ago. They took an initial dip and they're bouncing back. YM is the strongest of those. Nice equity curve. Gap fill in reverse on the euro. The base strategy is from the book Algorithmic Trading Systems. This one uses the money management algorithm, and then gap fill in reverse Brent crude. And those are the strategies you will need. All the exchanges that you currently have for the $1 million portfolio, but you'll also need the ICE exchange in order to trade coffee. So we're adding an additional exchange, and so I will have this up on the website under the $1 million portfolio. But there's also a sign up link on this. It is August the 30th, and so if you want to trade this right away, you can contact us, sign up at the link below, and get going on this $1 million portfolio that we have set up going into September. I wanted to get this out before September. We have a holiday weekend coming up, so you'll have time to get set up for that. And those are the strategies that we have, and what I recommend for the $1 million portfolio, 34 strategies. So that's the update for today. Trade well.